very special mountain and industry and love members in super industry as well as companion. My name is Sarwan. I am the co-founder of Dark Magma. And I would like to say thanks to GK Boss and Mark for organizing this fabulous function. And I would like to thanks to Suji Sisti and the co-founder of Suji, Miss Pradhavi Chauhan, President Mr. Sanjeev Singh Chauhan, and Suraj Sir. My name is Sarwan. I will always thank you. So let's start. सूरज का दस्तूर चाहता हूँ, चांद का नूर चाहता हूँ, कुछ मिले या ना मिले जिंदगी में बहुत मशहूर चाहता हूँ. Our whole life, everyone wants something in their life. Everyone wants to become something in their life, and everyone wants to achieve something. We all have one aim. Someone wants to become actor, someone wants to become model, someone wants to become anything. IPS, IAS. Everyone is in one aim, and everyone wants to achieve that aim by putting their efforts, by doing hard work, by doing smart work. But some people are there who can achieve that, but some people are there who can't. Why? This is the big question mark in the whole world. This is the biggest question mark in the whole world, and we have to solve it. And when we will solve it, so that at that we become successful in our life. And now the question is that how can we solve this question? This is the biggest question. So for solving this question, for solving this question, we have to put efforts. We have to change our mindset. We have to change our thought. We have to change our way in which way we are working. You know, first of all, so many people are there. Thomas Edison is there. Newton is there. Thomas Edison is there. Isaac Newton is there. Albert Einstein is there. APJ Abdul Kalam is there. They got failed in their life so many times, but they never give up. They do hard work, they do smart work, and at the final, they achieve the success. That's why you know. That's why you all know that most person in the whole world. Why? Because of their efforts. Why? Because of their works. Why? Because of their mindset. Why we need the efforts of APJ Abdul Kalam? Because he's a successful person in his life. For becoming a successful person in our life, we should value the money. We should value ourselves. We should change our mindset. We should self. You know, one thing I want to say to you. Everyone is there who meant to judge you. You can't do this thing. It is not meant for yourself. You can't do. But you know, you should share and you should think that no one can play your role better than you. If someone is saying so, let him say. If someone is asking you, so let him judge. Don't care if someone is saying acting or anything else. Think about yourself, focus on your track, and achieve the success. And you know, I want to say something about the people who are not who are the lazy, who are the potato, who are not doing something in their life, or sitting in the back and only taking the units and not doing anything. I want to say about them. आपको ना नींद बहुत है, हमें खोना नहीं है. नींद बहुत है, हमें खोना नहीं है. ये वक्त कुछ करने का यार, खोना नहीं है. It's the time for doing something. It's the time for doing something. If you are able to do something, so that is right now. If you want to do something, so that is right now. So at the last, I want to say you do hard work, do smart work, change your ways. That is the ways you are working, and got a success. Thank you.
तालियों की आवाज़ ही है एक